Once there was a man who was fed up with his job and wanted to start his own business. He thought of his strength area, checked about the market demand, and wanted to start a textile manufacturing business. He registered himself in Udyog Aadhaar and got all other necessary permission to start a business. He invested capital from his personal savings as well as he taken loan for machineries and other working capital necessities. He was doing well for the first 5 years. But slowly things gets worse. The reason for sickness discovered by him as inadequacy of working capital, erratic power supply, obsolete technology, labor problems, absenteeism, and suddenly into the month of March, COVID-19 lockdown started. All the migrant laborers who are working went off. Offices were shut down. Plants were closed for 2 months. Suppliers changed their payment terms. Along with COVID, the company also went to ventilation. He wanted to take corrective measures from banks such as subordinate debt, which he thinks may act as a remedy for his problem. But he was unaware that the excess debt may act as a poison. Then a helping hand came for his survival. One of his friends suggested about a good consultancy for his sickness, which is SME-GIL. Entrepreneur met SME-GIL and they makes him understand that every entrepreneur work for better ROI. He will be recovering soon from his 6 month of crisis stage to the stabilization stage. They assure him that day-to-day follow-up and through systems and procedures, this can be cured. They wanted to check up his balance sheet and profit and loss for last 3 years. They analyze and interpret data to unearth weakness and problems to comprehend the causes. Formulate the recommendations and solutions with attention to the client's wishes, capabilities, and limitation. Present findings and suggestions to client with practical advices. Provide guidance for any occurring problems and issues. And with few months of effort and grow back the business in stabilization stage. Now both of them are looking towards the growth phase which they will achieve soon. Proper support will be provided in all the stages, including the growth stage to sustain in the market. Crisis stage is the main stage where handholding is the must for sick entrepreneurs. Talent tend to leave the organization during this phase, putting the entrepreneurs in more trouble.